Hello everyone. Welcome. In this video let's learn how to file a Form 1099 MISC in 1099 Online. Let's get started. From the left navigation menu, click Forms and select 1099 MISC. You can either create a new payer and recipient directly from this page or select existing ones from your account. Once you select the payer and recipient, their details including the name, address, phone number, and TIN are automatically populated. If needed, you can edit this information before proceeding. At the top right corner of the form, you'll also find options for corrected filing and state filing. Use these options if you're filing a corrected return or need to include state filing. Next, you'll see the different reporting boxes available on Form 1099 MISC, such as rents, royalties, other income, fishing boat proceeds, and several others. Enter the amount in the box that applies to your filing. In this example, we'll report rent by entering the amount in Box 1, Rents. If applicable, enter the federal income tax withheld amount. Next, enter the state tax withheld amount, if required, and select the appropriate state. If the selected state does not participate in the Combined Federal-State Filing Program, CFSF, 1099 Online will notify you and display the applicable state filing fee. You can review your state's filing requirements and choose whether to include state filing before proceeding. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click Save and Continue. You'll now be taken to the Unsubmitted Forms page. Select the form you want to file and choose any additional services you need, such as USPS mailing, e-delivery, or state filing. Next, click Submit for this payer. Review your payment method and proceed to checkout. The filing fee for Form 1099 MISC starts at $3.49 per form. Additional charges may apply if you choose optional services such as USPS mailing, e-delivery, or state filing. Finally, click Pay Now to complete your submission. Once your payment is successful, your form will be submitted for processing. You can track the status of your filing anytime from the Submitted Forms page. And that's how you file Form 1099 MISC using 1099 Online. Thanks for watching.